Hey, welcome to another video brought to you by Total Control Traders. Today we're going to show you my new trading gaming setup for 2021. And to start this off, we're going to talk about the dual Samsung 49-inch ultra-wide curved monitors. In our last video, we talked about how one of my monitors died, thus deciding to upgrade to one of these. Since then, I've decided to get another one in order to make it easier for myself, because I was constantly finding myself switching between the daily charts and the shorter time frame charts on the main screen. And now with this second ultrawide monitor stacked above, it is solely dedicated to the daily charts only. I must say, since obtaining this additional screen real estate, it has already paid itself 10 times over. But remember, having more screen real estate does not equate to being a better trader. It should be based on what your needs are and whether it makes financial sense for you. If you enjoy the activeness of having to switch between time frames on your charts, and you're already finding success while doing so, there should be no reason additional monitors will further improve your trading. And as for the mount that I'm using, I actually tried out two different ones before settling on this one. And ultimately both that I tried were Vivo's. The one I am currently using is the Vivo Dual LCD Monitor Desktop Stand Heavy Duty Stacked. And the reason why I went with this one was ultimately because of the stand itself. As you can see in my current setup, one of the monitors has a stand, and eventually I will be looking to stack them by mounting both of them. And I did not want to have another big base taking up room, which ultimately was the Vivo freestand LCD monitor desk stand stacked as well. And next up, we've got the most important component of any office, and that is the chair. As for the chair, it took a lot of research, and the biggest debate was between gaming chair or task chair. But ultimately, after all that research, I decided to go with the Nightingale CXO Office Chair 6200D. The only difference between 6200 and 6200D is the headset. And make sure, if you're looking to get this one, make sure to get the headset, because it looks funny without. The big part of what makes this chair one of the best that I have tried is the fact that you can adjust basically every single component on this chair. And aside from that, the chair is also made from solid steel, so it does have its weight. It does hold its weight. It is a solid chair. You're able to adjust the headset. You're able to adjust the armrest, inward, outward, slide it in and out as well. The lumbar, the height of the chair is of course a given. How forward or backward you want the chair. And I mean, there's just so many things to name on how customizable this chair is. It will for sure be able to customize to your likings. And now onto the third and final upgrade of the year, which is the MOUSEPAD. Now I decided to go with the Amazon Basic, as you can see in the video, but the reason why I decided to go with Amazon Basic is ultimately I tried 4 different mouse pads, and they either ended up having a very strong smell of rubber, chemical, or it just does not stay flat on the table. And as for the laptop, it remains the same. It's the Asus ZenBook UX 430UA. And the monitor that goes with it, it's the same as well, Samsung 27-inch. And throughout the day, the laptop actually remains closed like this. And the monitor stays on. If I were to upgrade again, the next one would probably be the PC itself. In the last video, I did not share the specs of the computer with you guys, so in this one, I will share it in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out our online Slack trading chat group with proven results of 86% win rate out of 318 successful trade callouts. Free to join, limited spots on each enrollment period. Link down in the description below. And hey, if you know anyone that may benefit from the content we provide, please consider sharing our channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.